Debt is a common element in today's financial landscape. Effective debt management is essential for financial well-being. Understanding how debt works is a key component of responsible credit use. Responsible credit use helps prevent financial difficulties. Wise debt management contributes to long-term financial stability. Therefore, careful debt management is crucial for financial health. Various types of debt exist, each with unique features and costs. Credit cards, personal loans, and mortgages are common forms of debt that accrue interest. Understanding the terms and associated costs of debt is crucial. Informed financial decisions depend on a clear understanding of debt obligations. Credit cards are useful financial instruments when managed responsibly. Consistently paying at least the minimum amount due is crucial. Paying the full balance each month is the ideal strategy. This prevents the accumulation of high interest charges. Paying in full also helps maintain a healthy credit score. The debt snowball method focuses on paying off debts in order of smallest to largest balance. Smaller debts are targeted first, regardless of interest rate. This approach aims to provide quick, motivating wins. These early successes can boost confidence and commitment. The psychological impact helps individuals stay on track with debt repayment. Remaining consistent is key to successfully eliminating debt. The debt avalanche method prioritizes debt repayment based on interest rates. It focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. This strategy minimizes the overall interest paid throughout the repayment process. By targeting high-interest debts, individuals can save money over time. The debt avalanche method accelerates the path to becoming debt-free. Paying only the minimum amount on credit cards can lead to long-term debt. Minimum payments result in substantial interest accumulation over time. This repayment strategy significantly extends the duration of the debt. The total cost of borrowing dramatically increases when only minimum payments are made. Paying the full credit card balance monthly prevents interest charges. This practice is crucial for maintaining a healthy credit score. Consistently paying in full demonstrates responsible credit utilization. Responsible credit use improves overall financial standing. Credit scores are significantly influenced by several key factors. Payment history is a primary determinant, reflecting on-time payments. Credit utilization, or the amount of available credit being used, also plays a crucial role. The length of credit history provides insight into a borrower's long-term credit behavior. Types of credit and new credit accounts also contribute to the overall credit score. High credit utilization negatively impacts credit scores. High credit utilization means using a large percentage of available credit. Low credit utilization demonstrates responsible credit management. Responsible credit management improves creditworthiness. Effective debt management is crucial for financial control. Wise credit utilization empowers individuals financially. Strategic financial planning is essential for long-term security. Consistent repayment efforts are key to achieving financial freedom.